Okay, so the first stop that we're going to go to is my grandma's house, and as you can see, entrance to her house. Go inside. This is like, she's kept it the same. Like, I remember the first time I came here, or recollection anyway, back in the, well, maybe when I was 5-6 years old. It's literally remained the same. She has not changed it in the slightest. Very old style and structured the way it is, and has a proper feel to it of Mauritius, I guess. This is another room. Don't know where the light is to actually turn it on, but yeah, oh, here it is. So there's a spare room. Then we go through into the kitchen. Yep. So this is the kitchen. Old style. Got your shower, bathroom there, and then my grandma's room. She might be 88, but doesn't mean that she doesn't like her pink. Yeah, so a nice little tour of grandma's house, and I'll go outside and have a little chat to her now.